Well, moving on, the political temperature has risen sharply over the centre's move to rename the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, with the Congress launching protests across the country, accusing the BJP of undermining Mahatma Gandhi's legacy and diluting a landmark welfare scheme. In Delhi, Congress leader Udit Raj, leading a protest by the All India Unorganized Workers Congress, burnt a copy of the proposed bill, alleging a conspiracy to dismantle Manrega. He said removing Mahatma Gandhi's name is not just an attack on his legacy, but an attempt to take away the legal right to employment for rural laborers.
आज वही प्रोटेस्ट है जो कांग्रेस ने काल दिया है, वही प्रोटेस्ट है। इसलिए गांधी जी का नाम नहीं मिटा सकते। भगवान राम का नाम किसी अन्याय के लिए या अन्याय के काम के साथ में जोड़ा जा सकता है क्या? अब तो मजदूर का मौलिक अधिकार कानूनी अधिकार नहीं था होगा। पहले कानूनी अधिकार था कि अगर 15 दिन तक काम नहीं मिलता था तो सरकार को पैसा देना पड़ता था और 100 दिन का रोजगार देना गारंटी थी। और पहले केंद्र सरकार की 90% की राशि दी जाती थी, अब केवल 40% दिया जा रहा है।
And in Karnataka, senior Congress leaders stepped up the protest. Ministers Dinesh Gundu Rao and M.B. Patil criticized the renaming, calling it ideologically driven and an insult to the father of the nation. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar joined demonstrations at Suvarna Sauda in Belagavi, also targeting the centre over the National Herald case. The Congress alleges that the BJP is replacing rights-based welfare with centrally controlled charity. The party has announced nationwide protests, warning that millions of rural beneficiaries could be affected, even as the centre says the new bill increases guarantees workdays to 125 per household.
They can't change their name. Can you remove Gandhi? You remove, if you have guts, you remove Gandhi photo from the note. The Gandhi note is there, no? In every this one, there is Gandhi note. You remove it, let us see. Huh? You can't remove. See? Can you remove this Mahatma Gandhi ji note? Name and photograph? You can't remove. He is the leader who was led the Congress party, who was the leader who was the Congress party president 100 years back. You can't remove his name. He is Mahatma Gandhi ji. Ram. Of course, we all tell no. But they have not seen Ram. We are also fathers of Ram. But at the same time, who gave you freedom? Who gave you national flag? Who gave you this constitution? It is the Congress party.